Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And we're gonna do another mystery box. And this week you voted for, or I should say this week because I had you vote all at once or whatever. Last week I opened the first one and it was this cute little panda ballet. Isn't she so fun with her little tambourine? So that was the first one. The second one is the Baby Nanci Fluffy Party. So I just wrote two, so I knew that this was the second one. And then next week will be this one, and then the following week will be that one. So I have those off to the side. So these are so fun to do. I mean, it's just being silly. I love little fun, unique things, and these are super cute. So let me know what you think. If you want me to do more of these after I open up, the rest of these. Because when I go get my hair cut, there's a store by my hairdresser, and that's where I get these from. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Diana. I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. And so yeah, so I'm just having fun these last couple die shorts, and then the next couple just to change things up, right? So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. So make sure during the video premiere I'm in the chat room, so head on over there. I'll be with my friends. If you are watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, leave it down below. Then YouTube lets me know when that I can reach out to you. All right, so let's get started. Personally, I hope it's the little bee, but when I look at the pictures on the back, I don't see a bee unless it's that mystery one. So, anyways, all right, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, so close your eyes for a second while I get my camera adjusted. And here's that cute little panda bear, and she's so furry. She's like, maybe that's called flocking, I don't know, but I just think she's adorable. So I'm hoping they have, like I said, there was 2 boxes left of her, so I kind of wish I had grabbed both. And then I would have seen if I got a repeat. Because you don't know what you're going to get, right? You could get a repeat. Because this says, you have 1 in 6 chance to get those. But then this one, you have 1 in 72 chance. So there's an elephant, a rabbit, a frog, calico cat, and a koala bear. But I really kind of hope it's the bee. So I don't know. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just going to rip this open. Really careful like I did before. All right. I hope it's in a little bag so I don't see it right when I open. Good, it's in a little bag. Okay, so we've got our cute little bag. Trying to feel, right, like if I can feel any. I think they all probably would feel pretty much the same through the bag. What do you think it's going to be? Huh? What do you hope it is? All right, let's see what I got. I have, oh, this has a little stand too. I love that they have the little stand, because I'm just going to put them on my hutch, and it makes it nice that they have something, to stand on. They're kind of like a Funko in a way, but Funko, you usually know what they are. All right, so what did I get? I got, oh, which one is it? Which one is it? Isn't that the koala bear? It's a koala bear. Isn't she cute? And then they're blowing like a little bubble. I don't know if their arms, do their arms move? I don't want to break it. It looks like their arms move, and look at her little leaf on her butt. Okay, so let's see how I put her in the stand here. So you must just push the little feet on there. You have to be smarter than the thing. Oh, so maybe it doesn't snap in there. All right, let me see what it says over here. Oh, see, I didn't want to open that card because the card tells you what it is. So look at this cute little card. And I think I threw the other cards away, but this one is like got a pop-up. Koala. All right. So I'm just gonna stick her in there so she kind of stays up, right? She doesn't click in like the little panda bear had like a clicky thing, so it stays. This doesn't have a clicky in, so you know, she kind of rocks back and forth a tad. I don't know if I don't think the legs move. The arms moved a little bit, but I might have to, if she falls, I'll have to put some glue or something. But look how cute she is. Look at the little nose. It reminds me of that movie. What was that movie that they had? Was it Sing? And they had the little koala bear. This kind of reminds me of this. So this is kind of perfect. It's almost like the little kid has got a costume on. So it is super cute. All right, so I will figure out how to make her stay in there. Although if she's on my hut, she's not really going to go anywhere. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So yeah, so she's super cute, right? And I love that blue color. That is really cute. It's almost like soft sky. Remember we had soft sky was one of our colors years ago? Oh, I loved that blue. But she is super cute with her little, blowing her little bubble gum. So yeah, so anyways, let me know what you think, and make sure, you know, you come back, you know, next Friday for my third unboxing, but make sure you come back Monday, and that will be my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist, and that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you then. All right, bye for now.